Hello everyone. Do you know the best 4 ways a beginners can make money with PayPal in Nigeria? PayPal is one of the world's most trusted online payment platforms, allowing people to send and receive money globally. While Nigerians have faced some challenges using PayPal in the past, the platform is now more accessible, and with the right approach, you can earn and receive money legally through PayPal right here in Nigeria. If you're a beginner in Nigeria wondering how to make money from PayPal, here are 4 of the best and easiest ways to get started. Number 1 is freelancing and online jobs. Freelancing is the most popular way Nigerians can earn money through PayPal. Many global freelance platforms allow clients to pay directly into your PayPal account. Where do you start from? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Freelancer then offer services such as writing, graphics design, web development, virtual assistance, or social media management. Why does this work for beginners? No big investment is required. You only need your skills and internet access. You can work for international clients and get paid directly in PayPal. Number 2 way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions when people buy products or services through your referral link. Many affiliate programs worldwide pay through PayPal. Examples of such affiliate networks or affiliate links are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and digital product platforms like Gumroad or JVZoo. We also have Impact.com, which also offers some affiliate marketing tools. Why this works for beginners? You don't need to own a product. You can promote through social media, WhatsApp groups, or blogs. Then commissions are paid directly into PayPal accounts. Number 3 is selling digital products or services. PayPal is a great tool for Nigerians who want to sell digital products online. You can create something once and sell it many times. Ideas to sell: ebooks or online courses, graphics, templates, music or photography, paid membership access or consultations. Why it works? There's low startup cost. PayPal makes it easy to receive international payments. You earn passively once your product starts selling. The number 4 is microtasks and online platforms. There are websites that pay Nigerians small amounts of money for completing simple online tasks, and many use PayPal as a payment method. Examples include Swagbox. You watch videos, take surveys, play games, and then you get some money. Then we also have the Timebox, advertising tasks, surveys, content viewing, and many others. Then you also have user testing. These test websites and apps for money. Why this works for beginners? There's no special skills required. It's perfect for students and part-time earners, and it's easy way to build up your PayPal balance. For anyone in Nigeria, PayPal opens the door to the global economy. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or completing microtasks, there are real opportunities to earn money legally. The most important steps are to open a verified PayPal account that can receive payments. Start small and stay consistent. Avoid scams. Stick to legitimate platforms. With commitment, you can turn PayPal into a reliable source of income even as a beginner in Nigeria. So, you have been shown the way to make money through PayPal in Nigeria. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video to your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next I want you to go ahead and watch now. See you in the next one.